Hi guys and girls, my name's Carl Anthony 54, and today I'll be singing a song called Have You Ever Seen the Rain? I'm planning on uploading videos every week, along with some original material as well. Like next week I'm going to be posting When Will We See You Again, which is the original song written by me. Someone told me long ago there's a calm before the storm. I know it's been coming for some time. When it's over, so they say, it'll rain a sunny day. I know it's shining down my water, and I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? And I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? They're coming down on a sunny day. Yesterday and days before, sun was cold and rain is hard. I know I've been that way for all my time, until forever on it goes, through the circle fast and slow. I know